Hi there, in this video I'll walk you through how to create pipelines and opportunities inside your Pulse Growth account. Once you're logged into your Pulse Growth account, navigate to the left-hand menu and open the Opportunities tab. Inside this section, you'll find another tab labeled Pipelines. Click on it and then select Create New Pipeline. Here, you'll be prompted to give your pipeline a name. Next, you'll see pre-built stages already created for you. These represent the steps a lead goes through, from initial contact to closing the deal. You can edit the existing stages by clicking on them, or add your own stages by clicking Add Stage. Enter the name of your new stage. If you ever need to remove a stage, just click the Delete button next to it. Once you're happy with the setup, click Create, and your new pipeline will be ready to use. Now let's move on to adding opportunities. Go back to the Opportunities tab. From here, you can select which pipeline you'd like to view or manage. You'll notice that you can import or export opportunities, which is useful if you're moving data between systems or backing up your information. To create a new opportunity manually, click on Add Opportunity. Start by selecting the primary contact from your contact list. This is the person or business the opportunity is linked to. Then, scroll down to choose the pipeline and the specific stage where this opportunity belongs. You can also assign a status, such as Open or Won, and add any tags that will help you organize or track it later. When you're done, click Create, and your new opportunity will appear in the pipeline view. Once the opportunity has been created, you can open it at any time to make edits or updates. From inside the record, you can update details, delete it, book or reschedule appointments, add tasks or notes, etc. This allows your team to keep everything connected and organized in one place. So that's how you create opportunities manually. But what if you want this process to happen automatically? Say, every time someone fills out a form or books a call. Let's set that up next. Head over to the Workflows section and create a new workflow. Add a trigger based on what you want to automate. For example, if you want an opportunity to be created whenever someone submits a form, choose the trigger Form Submitted. Then select the specific form you want to use and save the trigger. Now we'll add an action. Click Add Action and select Create New Opportunity. Once this action is added, choose the appropriate pipeline. Then click Add Field and select Pipeline Stage. This tells the system which stage to place the new opportunity in. Next, add the opportunity name field. You can personalize it by using a custom value, such as the contact's first name. If you'd like, you can include other fields too, such as contact details, source, or any custom information that fits your process. When everything looks good, click Save Action. Now, every time someone submits that form, an opportunity will automatically be created in your selected pipeline. And that's it. You've now learned how to create pipelines, add opportunities manually, and automate opportunity creation using workflows, all inside your Pulse Growth account. If you'd like to explore more tutorials or get extra help, visit our support portal or contact us anytime at connect@pulsegrowth.io.